The reason I became a dentist has a lot to do with my father. My father was a dentist. He really enjoyed what he was doing. And I saw years, decades of this growing up. My father was very interested in dentistry.
Dentistry offers a lot of things. It offers the science part of the profession. It also offers the creative part. And when one is able to mix the two, there's an immediate gratification when the patient picks up a mirror, looks at themselves, and sees the great improvement not only in the appearance but in the health of their mouth.
So dentistry was almost in my bloodline. The Barbag name has been in South Florida for quite a few years. We have two locations. We have this location in Coral Springs, which we took over about a year ago. We found a nice retiring dentist. And the other location's in Boca Raton, Florida. And my father's had that for almost 30 years. So any location is fine. We offer many services. Most people come in for cleanings. We have a great hygienist that work here. Any of the basic general dental services. And after cleanings, we have fillings, crowns, dentures. We do bridges. People are missing teeth. We have ways of fixing that. I do some emergency services. So most of your basic dental needs can be taken care of here.
The latest proven technology is part of the recipe. We incorporated the use of lasers where appropriate to make treatment more comfortable. And we use one of the most expert dental laboratories where crowns and veneers, as well as other smile-enhancing devices, are made with exacting microscopic precision.
So most of your cosmetic needs can be taken care of here. We do lots of ways to do smile makeovers to make your mouth, your smile look better, healthier, cleaner, brighter.
Basically, with every single patient, we review the medical history, get to know the patient a little bit, and do a thorough exam, x-rays, periodontal evaluation of the gums, oral cancer screening, clean their teeth, and at the end, Dr. Barbag comes in and checks the patient as well for a complete exam.
We also like to make sure that patients feel at home. We don't want to have them feel like we're working a factory here.
When we see a new patient, our goal is really to treat them as we would a family member ourselves.
The best thing about Barbag Dental is we really care about our patients. Our staff, the front desk, is always very, very warm and friendly. My assistants are great.
And that is key. That is really the only consideration. What's going to be best and benefit that patient, not only for the particular time that they've come in, but for their lifetime.
One of the things that really makes my practice stand out from others is I really like to explain what I'm doing, why I'm doing it, how long it's going to take, just to make sure they're comfortable, they understand what they're doing, and they understand where they're going, and really they can see the start, the finish, and the whole process through.
If we can get them onto a road that we know is going to maintain their teeth, the health of their gums, and their overall general health, then we've accomplished what we've been looking to do.
The first question that people normally have, or the main reason people have the initial fear, is they don't know what's going on.
Some patients will say that they had a poor experience, they had their gums and the hygienist hurt them, they didn't get them numb, they were uncomfortable.
But I believe the most important aspect of relieving fear for any patient is developing a relationship with that patient. If that relationship can be developed, then the height of fear really comes down tremendously. We're able to do what we do in a very comfortable and painless way, and we discuss these issues before we do any treatments.
And we only use labs that are really local, and this is where I think Barbag Dental stands out. Our lab work is made with quality materials, and we're just sure that they will last. If everything fits nice and tightly and snugly like a nice glove, then the crown will be very successful for decades to come.
There are several compliments that I think motivate us to do the job that we do. When they sit up, look in the mirror, turn around and smile and say, "This looks great." I didn't think it was going to be this simple. And the second greatest compliment, obviously, is when they refer friends or family.